My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is control statements. Control statements are also known as jumping statements. What is jumping statements? Suppose I want to jump on my current location from any other location. But in case I want to skip the steps, I can jump on my current from my current location to the next location. Control statements, that is jumping statements, exactly work as that of. There are two control statements. First one is break statement and another one is control statement. Break statement is used to terminate the execution of loop. Break statement or continue statement contains in while loop, do while loop, and also switch cases. Continue is not used in switch cases, but we can use it on do while loop and while loop. Basically, break statements are used when the range is not fixed, that means number of iterations are not fixed, and we want to terminate the loop after checking some condition, that means based on some conditions. Break statements are used to terminate the loop as while, do while, for, or switch statements. Wherever break is keyword, break keyword is declared, then break statement is Java is used to terminate from loop immediately after a break keyword, and then the control goes to the next statement which is immediate after a loop. Then continue statements keep the rest of loop wherever the continue keyword is written. That means it displays the uh, the statements after the continue keyword. For example of break statements, if there is a for loop which contains initialization, that is I equal to 1, then condition, that is I is less than equal to 10, and increment operator. In for loop, I equal if I is less than or equal to 5, is condition, this condition again it is given, and then break keyword is given. It prints the I, that is initially 1, then after iterations it becomes 5. When it becomes 5, then break comes into picture and it terminates the loop. Similarly, for continue, when the continue statement or keyword is given, then from that continue statement the rest of operations or statements get displayed or get execute. That's it.